Hi Daisy, my name's Darren. So I just want to cover a few things here in this short video. One thing I want to cover is content. So this is your home page, and anywhere on your web page that you have written words are called content. So you have a little bit of here, here, and here, and then here as well, and that's about it. The reason that you want to have content on your website is so that you can have things plugged into your content, what's called organic keywords, and I'll get into that here shortly. Another reason that content's important is because when Google's ranking websites, they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone, and then about 500 to 750 on your back pages. A rule of thumb is content is king, so the more content the better, and from your perspective, the more content means the more keywords you can rank for. So let's look at your competitor here, and you don't necessarily have to fill up your website with content and make it like super lengthy. You can also put organic keywords behind pictures as well. Here's a little bit of content, some more photos, a little bit of content here, here. And then the biggest thing that I want to show you on this website is these little drop downs are what you can plug a bunch of content into here, and it won't take up a huge amount of space, which is really nice. These are really handy for that. And so, but yeah, content is definitely king. The more content, the easier it will be to rank your site. So let's look at your backside real quick here. I use Ahrefs. It's a tool we use to see what's going on in the background of your website. So you have 18 trust, 0 power at the moment. You have 87 backlinks and 16 referring domains, and these are what pretty much gives you this trust and power. Backlinks are just links that are pointing from other websites back to your website and giving you this trust and power. And same goes for referring domains. And you have 32 organic keywords, and this is what generates traffic to your website, or people going actually to your website. Off of these 32 organic keywords, you have 29 organic traffic, or 29 people per month visiting your website, and then that's generating about 183 traffic value. So the more organic keywords you can rank for, the more ways people can find your website, which will generate more traffic, which will turn into traffic value. Let's take a look here at what you're ranking for. So you're ranking for your business name, which is good. Usually everybody ranks for that, right? And then, let's see, after that, the next highest it looks like, the position-wise, is 22, Vista Roofing Company. That's about 20 search volume. So right now you're getting about 80 people per month looking for your business website name, or your business name, excuse me. So people that know you are searching you 80 times a month. But the real thing that you want to be ranking for is like Roofers Vancouver, Washington. That's 100 search volume a month, and it's people that don't know roofing companies, so they're just looking for roofing companies. Those are the keywords that you really want to shoot for, and you want to get those high volume keywords. So this one's 300 searches a month, Roofer Vancouver, WA. So that's another one that you would want to shoot for. And you're ranking for them right now. The biggest deal is that they're in such a position that they're not going to find you. So like you're in 40th position for this, which would put you on the 4th or 5th page of Google. So you would need to bump that up, and that's where backlinks come into play. And so same thing for this one right here, the 100. You're ranked for 34, so that puts you on the 3rd or 4th page, abouts. So the higher the position, the easier it will be for people to find you. Ideally, you want all your good keywords, like Roofers Vancouver, that's getting 400 volume a month. You would want this in position 1, right? So that you can get that volume of people per month going to your site, and that would boost your overall traffic value. So the more organic keywords you can rank for, the more traffic you're going to get, which will boost your traffic value. And I'll show you that here in your competitor. So PortlandRoofing.com, their ratio is 33 and 14. Not ideal, but not terrible. They have 1,000 backlinks, and that, again, that's links from other websites pointing back to them. That's sharing power and trust. 143 referring domains. And then they have 644 organic keywords that they're ranking for. And with that amount of organic keywords, and that amount of ways people are finding their website, it's getting 1.8K organic traffic a month. So yeah, this is monthly numbers here. So 1,800 people a month are visiting their website off of these organic keywords, and that's generating them about 27,000 traffic value. So organic keywords are definitely important. And the other cool thing about this tool that we use is we can come in here and see what they're ranking for, and then we can rank for them as well, and we can see like how hard it is to rank for it and whatnot. So it's definitely a cool tool that we have. But that's the biggest comparison I wanted to shoot for you here. If you have any other concerns or questions, feel free to reach out to us. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a good one. Bye bye.